I ensured that my entire family drinks the Aquaguard Active Copper water, as it is beneficial for all age groups. After all, copper is known to have antimicrobial, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help to support healthy metabolism. And the Aquaguard Active Copper technology instantly infuses right amount of copper in our water as per BIS standards without the hassles of cleaning copper vessels. This purifier is also equipped with a superior multi-stage purification. Its RO membrane removes new age contaminants like lead and mercury. And UV boiling technology ensures water as safe as water boiled for 20+ minutes. The taste adjuster provides sweet tasting water irrespective of its source. This purifier has fetched me many compliments since it blends so beautifully with my kitchen with its elegant sleek design and metallic copper finish. This smart water purifier makes usage very easy by letting me know when the tank is full and when service is required. I use Aquaguard's service app to instantly schedule service requests for timely servicing. So let's add the goodness of copper to our body with every sip of water with the Aquaguard Active Copper Water Purifier.